Success isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you stop doing. That's right. Sometimes those little habits, the ones you barely notice, could be what's holding you back from leveling up. So today, I'm sharing with you 11 habits that you need to give up if you want to be successful in your career. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're gonna see yourself in a whole new light. We all have habits. Some push us forward, whilst others they drag us back. These habits can make or break our journey to success. But here is the good news. You have the power to change them. Let's break down 11 habits you need to ditch and how doing so can completely transform your personal and financial life. Habit number 1 is fear of failure. Have you ever had an idea, maybe something incredible, but the moment you thought about doing it, fear crept in? Maybe you wanted to start a business or apply for that dream job, but you didn't just because you were scared of failing. Here is the thing, failure is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. Let me share a little something with you. When I first started this YouTube channel, I had no idea if anyone would even watch it. But guess what? I did it anyway. The key is to reframe how you view failure. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? Think, what can I learn from this? So next time fear of failure strikes, create a fear list. Write down the real consequence of failing versus the cost of not even trying. You will see that staying in your comfort zone is far more damaging. Habit number 2 is being busy all the time. We live in a world that praises being busy. But here's the secret. Being busy doesn't mean you are productive. A lot of us mistake busyness for success, but in reality, it's all about being efficient. Start focusing on results rather than filling up your schedule. One thing that really changed my life was learning to say no to tasks that weren't aligned with my bigger goals. Do this today. Review your to-do lists. Ask yourself, is this moving me closer to my goals? If not, cross it out. It's all about working smart, not working hard. Habit number 3 is dwelling on past mistakes. Okay, I know we've all been there. Reliving the embarrassing moment from years ago or wishing you've done something differently. But here is the truth. The past is gone. You can't change it, but you can change how you let it affect you. Constantly dwelling on past mistakes steals your present and future opportunities. Focus on the lessons, not the mistake. When you catch yourself dwelling on something from the past, ask yourself, what is the lesson here? Then consciously decide to use that lesson in your next decision. Habit number 4 is striving to be perfect. Perfection is a sneaky trap. Trying to be perfect all the time stops you from being productive. Let me tell you, it's okay to make mistakes. Perfection isn't real, but progress is. So instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Your work will never be perfect, but that's okay. Celebrate the small wins and trust that with each step, you are getting better. A quick tip I'll give you here is adapt the 70% rule. If your project is 70% there, release it. Don't wait for perfection because that is how you miss opportunity. So if you are 70%, no need to wait till you hit 100%. You can just release it and put it out there and amend it and make changes as things move along. Habit number 5 is being stressed out and pessimistic. Stress and negativity can be paralyzing. We've all had days where it feels like nothing is going right, but holding on to stress only drains your energy. One of the best ways to combat negativity is gratitude. Start and end your day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. It will help shift your mindset from what is wrong to what is right. So before going to bed, I would advise that you make a list of 3 wins from your day. No matter how small, you will be amazed at how much more positive you will feel. Habit number 6 is toxic relationships. Toxic relationships drain your energy, confidence, and mental health. Whether it's a partner, friend, or even a colleague, if they aren't adding value to your life, It's time to reevaluate. You deserve to be surrounded by people who uplift and inspire you, not drain you. So make sure you are setting boundaries with toxic people. I know it is tough, but your future self will thank you for this. Trust me. Habit number 7 is comparing yourself to others. Comparison, they say, is the thief of joy. With social media, it is so easy to look at someone else's highlight reel and feel like you are not even doing enough. But remember, you are only seeing the best moments of their life. So instead of comparing yourself, celebrate your journey. Your path is unique. Remember that. No two paths are the same, even if you are all have the same destination to get to. So make sure you limit your time on social media, especially when you feel down. Focus on your progress, not someone else, because your path, like I said, is unique. Habit number 8 will be multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. You think you are getting more done, but in reality, you are splitting your attention, and that reduces your productivity. So always make sure that you are focusing on one thing at a time. You will be surprised how much you will get accomplished if you decide to focus on one thing at a time. With this, my advice would be try the Pomodoro technique, which is you work for 25 minutes, take a 5 minutes break, and repeat. This can help you maintain your focus. No need to try to spread yourself, because if you do that, something is always going to suffer. You can never serve two masters at the same time. It's better to be focused and focus on one thing at a time. Habit number 9 will be thinking lonely of yourself. Self-worth is key to success. If you don't believe in yourself, who will? Stop telling yourself you are not enough. Every morning, look into the mirror and tell yourself one thing you love about you. Build yourself up instead of tearing yourself down. Because the truth is, if you don't build yourself up, who's going to do it? No one else. Everybody is too focused on trying to build themselves up, and people might not have time to help pull you up. So my advice is every morning make sure you are looking into the mirror and tell yourself one thing that you love about yourself. Try as much as possible to build yourself up. That way you wouldn't have focus on tearing yourself down. Because if your energy is focused on building yourself up, there's no energy to tear yourself down. The 10th habit will be ignoring your health. They always say you can't pour from an empty cup. If you are not taking care of your health, you are sabotaging your success. I always advise that you prioritize your own well-being first. Always know that your physical health is going to affect everything about you. Your focus, your energy, and even your motivation. Start small, whether it's a 10 minutes walk or even a simple healthy meal. It's going to go a long way to help improve your focus, your energy, and even your motivation. They say your worth is your worth. So make sure you are putting focus on your health. And one saying that in the corporate world I heard was that your best ability is your availability. If you are not available, all your other abilities become useless. No matter what you can achieve, if you are not healthy and available, nobody can count on you. Habit number 11 will be seeking validation from others. Seeking validation from others is actually a trap. You will never make everybody happy, and that's okay. Learn to trust yourself. You don't need permission to be your authentic self, so own it. Stop seeking validation from other people and try to learn to trust yourself, because that's the only way you improve yourself. The more you trust yourself, the more you are going to learn to push outside your comfort zone. Now, those are 11 habits that you need to let go to unlock your full potential. I know it is not easy, but trust me, when you start releasing these habits, you will feel unstoppable. So, which habits are you giving up first? Comment below and let's learn together. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.